doing some subscription box unboxings. I know I haven't done this in a long time, so I got a couple new ones that I've been trying out, so I want to share them with you. First one is from Bijou Beauty. Here's their little card. This is their June box. You get 4 to 5 full-size products every month. It is about $30 a month. So let's just get into what I've got. Last month's was a little bit better than this one, so I'm just seeing what July brings, and I may or may not keep this one. So this is from Gourmand Girls. I've never heard of this brand before. I got a couple things from them this month. I got a lipstick in this palette. Here's what the palette looks like. It's kind of pretty. Let's swatch this real quick. Just see what this looks like. Here's the first row. Looks pretty on the hand. Don't know how they'd apply on the eye. It's the second row. There's the second row for you. They don't have names, so I don't know what the names of them are. So, next row. I really like that. This last row. That's pretty. So, this looks like a pretty nice little palette for summer, so that's nice. Moschino plus Sephora Moschino Toy Honey Mask. This little magic eraser sample. They included a snack this month. It was hot Cheetos. Those are gone. And then this lipstick from Gourmand Girls in number 60. Here's what the packaging looks like. Pretty nice. I don't know what the shade name is. And there's the color. That's pretty nice. This was kind of a box this month, so I'm hoping July's is a little bit better. So that was all for the Gourmand. That's all for the Bijou Beauty box. So that was kind of disappointing. Next is called Pandora's box. Comes in this little cute mailer. It's from like an Etsy shop, so it's all a bunch of indie like makeup and stuff. I haven't opened it yet, so we'll open it together and see. Oops. Little baggie from Halloween, it looks like. That's okay. Cute. Ooh, from Notoriously Morbid Cosmetics. Oh. It's called Anastasia. You can see This is from Carpe Noctem Minerals in the shade Ariel. Well, here's a little Notoriously Morbid Cosmetics business card. What is this? Makeup Slave eyeshadow. In the shade Maya. It's pretty. This is, I can't remember how much this is. I think I want to say it's 20 something a month. I'll have everything in the description box below for, you know, the links and how much it is. This was in Maya. This is another eyeshadow. Color at Fields of Ambrosia. It's called, what's it got a name? Paula Hawkins, I guess it's called. Not sure. But this is the shade right there. Never heard of these brands except for Notoriously Morbid. Don't go in the corner. Don't. This is Selena Fox Custom Hand Soap by Wake the Dead Scrubs. So this is a little hand soap. Here is Mysterious Cosmetics in the shade Ice Queen. That's pretty. Lots of blues this month. Then it looks like we got some tea. Ritual Venom Bath Elixir. Oh, that looks like tea. Okay. Okay, it's a bath tea. Okay. That's interesting. Here's another thing from Notoriously Morbid Cosmetics. This is called Anne. It's their Slumber Salve. It's chocolate covered cherries. I love their Slumber Salve. Looks like it's kind of leaky or something is leaking in here. Let's see. This is from Wake the Dead Scrubs. It is a green tea and tea tree mask called Sidonia. I've never tried anything from Wake the Dead. Bad Kitty Beauty talks about her a little bit, so I'm happy to get that. Just trying to find out what's leaking. This is from Southwest Lotions called J.K. Rowling. What does that smell like? It smells like... I know this smell. It almost smells like something from Victoria's Secret. That's why it smells familiar to me, like the Love Spell scent. Kind of smells like that. So that was pretty neat. Got a lotion, bath elixir, several eyeshadows. Got this one and this one. Lots of blue. I don't know, maybe the blue was a theme this month? I don't know. Another blue one. Got a little hand soap. A little mask. Some slumber salve. Another eyeshadow. And then another eyeshadow. I really like this blue right here. So that is it with these 2 subscription boxes. Stay tuned for my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.